Hello again at Graded. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the latest and greatest in gadget technology. We're featuring devices that excel in performance and offer cutting-edge features. It's time to see what's trending in the tech world. Let's get started. This gadget packs all the right features, making everyday tasks a breeze. Introducing a gadget that's as smart as it is functional. Let's take a look. Simplify your life with this innovative gadget that's both powerful and easy to use. Get to know the gadget that everyone's talking about. Smart, sleek, and practical. This device is a must-have for anyone. Check out this device. It's built to perform and designed to impress. Imagine having an assistant that's compact, efficient, and incredibly smart. This is what convenience looks like in the gadget world. Have a look. Get ready to be amazed by this. It's really something. This gadget is all about convenience. See how it fits perfectly into your lifestyle. This gadget is a true tech marvel, offering to simplify your daily activities. Meet the gadget that makes life easier, one task at a time. Here's a gadget that offers the best in tech without any complications. Explore how this gadget can make your everyday more efficient. See the future of technology with this gadget's advanced features. Handling daily tasks has never been easier thanks to this device. Take a close look at how this gadget works to make your life smoother. Get tasks done quicker with this gadget that blends speed with technology. This device isn't just effective, it's essential for modern living. Discover the power and precision of this top-notch gadget. Efficiency at its best, this gadget is here to save the day. Experience the convenience brought by this gadget's innovative features. Here's a gadget that's reliable, efficient, and incredibly handy. Effortless technology at its finest. This gadget will impress you. Discover why this gadget is a favorite among tech lovers. Innovation meets practicality with this amazing gadget. This device offers a sleek look and powerful features. Explore the cutting-edge technology that makes this gadget a must-have. This gadget breaks the mold with its design and functionality. Join us as we demonstrate the versatility of this incredible device. See why this gadget is a staple for tech enthusiasts and practical users alike. Bring home the latest in technology with this easy-to-use gadget. Enhance your daily routine with the efficiency of this device. This gadget is at the forefront of technology, making life easier for everyone. Technology just got simpler with this high-performing gadget. This gadget is your new problem solver, from the kitchen to the office. Unlock the potential of everyday tasks with this innovative gadget. This gadget is not only useful, but also incredibly stylish. Take a step into the future with this gadget's exceptional capabilities.